another level. I've been in my bag and I keep getting better. I'm getting richer, that ass getting thicker. My diamonds, they keep getting wetter. Fuck, I look like going back and forth with a little bitch that is not on my level. I do not give a fuck, tell a bitch try her luck, she'll get folded like a pretzel.
Alright, y'all, so today I am going to be doing these soft twists. I'm going to be doing soft twists because I really just want to try them, and I was like, I haven't put anything on YouTube in a while, so I might as well record it. And so what you will need for the video are, okay, before I hold this up, everybody's been using the Bobbi Boss Nu Locs, and they only come in like 16, 18 inches. So people have been extending them by tying two of the ends together. And I was honestly really hesitant to do this style because I was like, I'm not trying to do all that for no damn soft locks. Like, you got to tie two twists together, then rub the ends and some other stuff. So I was prepared to do it. But then when I got in the store, I walked in and saw these, y'all. They come already 36 inches long. Like, you see, House of Free extended, like, and the man had just told me they had got them yesterday. So I don't know if I looked up and these are new and just coming out, or if I just at a bum ass beauty supply store. But I would suggest that you find these because it's gonna cut down a lot of time. Because honey, these little braids already take long enough. Like, I've been sitting up there doing it for, I know, a good 2 hours. But I was also watching Girlfriends. So, you will need these Bobbi Boss locks. I got 3 packs. And most of the tutorials call for 6. But like I said, that was because they were tying them together. And 22 twists come in each package. So, I thought 66 twists would be more than enough. And then you are going to need this freetress waterwave here, and a crochet needle. All I used was Shine Jam and my comb, and I just did my plaits. And every other video I saw, they were talking too much, so I'm gonna get right into it. I am almost finished. I will say this style is not to be rushed. It takes time. I can only imagine doing all that, like tying them together at the end, because this took long enough. So what you do, you're gonna take your knot. You're gonna take your twist. It's kind of hard to find the knots in them, so I like stick a comb through like that. So I have my twist on my comb. I'm going to take it off and put it on my finger. Step 1. Then you're going to go in and you're going to take your braid. You're going to open the latch on the crochet needle. You're going to take it and you're going to put it through sideways. Boom. Then you're going to take the crochet needle and put the twist, the hook part, hook it on, close it. Pull it through. Once you pull it through, you open it back up, and you're going to pull the braid through the hole. And then boom, the braid is attached. The twist is attached. Once you get to that point, you're going to take your piece of crochet hair, and I am splitting mine in half. Alright, so I split my crochet hair in half, and I'm just going to like run my fingers through it to make it kind of fluffy. Like this. So I'm going to take, you're going to have a little piece of hair and then a very long piece of hair. And I'm going to take my little piece of hair, boom, I'm going to put it up. I put it up under both the braid and the twist together. So you're holding the little hair, the braid, and the twist in one hand. And then you're just going to start wrapping it around. Y'all see how all of this is in one hand and then it's just the other piece in the other hand? And you're going to make sure you wrap it around the root a couple of times just so it's secure. You don't want me falling out. And then you can just continue down the hair. And you know, it's supposed to look kind of messy. It's not supposed to be super cute. I mean, not super cute. Super neat. So don't be scared because, you know, some of mine look a little too messier than others. But this look you're going for. So once I get to the end, if I still have like extra hair left over from the little short piece, I just continue to wrap it. And then people say you can just rub it together on your hand. I honestly don't trust it. So you can either use your Got to Be glue spray, but I'm using this bed head hard head spray. Y'all, I like it so much better than Got to Be glue. Now I just spray a little bit like that. And then I rub it together and boom, you have your twist. And you just continue to do that on all of them. I find it better to just go in and put all the dress on there, then go back and twist. So I'm going to keep this in real time so you can see what I'm doing. And y'all can watch. I am finally done, and I think they look pretty darn good. I want to wear it as a side part though. Alright, so I'm gonna get up. Well, first off, like, this is how they came out. They came out so good. I'm gonna get up so y'all can see the length now. What I tell y'all, these are some soft locks. Like, if I'm gonna do some braids, some twists or something, they're gonna be to my ass, baby. And these are the longest that I've ever had. So let me set up so y'all can see me. Alright, y'all, so this is the final look of my locks. They came out so good. So if you like the way I did these, you like the way they turned out, then please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram at It's Jarmeese. Follow me at Twitter, It's Jarmeese also. And if you're in Memphis, I am booking for this look, so hit your girl up so we can talk business, you know. But thank y'all for... Let me show y'all. Thank y'all for watching. I really do appreciate everybody who watches. So once again, thank y'all for watching. Bye.